Thanks a lot for that, Jeff. We have some wonderful gentlemen joining us, Drs. Eric Lacasse and Dr. Robert Korneluk, both working heavily, research, a lot of it being done at CHEO, so great to have the two of you here. And also joining us from the Kiwanis Medical Foundation, we have Wayne French. Thank you. Gentlemen, a lot of work is being done right now. Tell us a little bit about what you're working on.
Well, at the moment, we are finishing up a study which is combining two agents that are separately in clinical trials together, and we're trying to push that into the clinic. And we're hoping, through the support of such fine institutions like the Ottawa Regional Cancer Foundation and the Ottawa Kiwanis Medical Foundation, that we can get this into the clinic and help cancer patients, both children and in adults.
Mm-hmm. It's interesting moving from subjects like mice right now. So what stage are we looking at? Is there an excitement building around this project that it's coming around the corner?
There is, because we've had several years of support through the Ottawa Regional Cancer Foundation, and now recently with the Ottawa Kiwanis Medical Foundation making this big donation. That we've done several years of research. It's come to fruition now. We're going to be getting a large publication out of this, and it's really closing the first phase of saying we've got this great, what we call proof of principle or proof of concept, that the idea of combining these two drugs works in the mouse and the test tube studies. And so now we're looking to the future of how can we translate this work into testing this idea, this new cancer therapy idea, in real patients. So looking to really get this into what we call the clinic and to phase 1 trial testing.
It is amazing, especially when it has to do with the children involved too. I know that we'll do a quick presentation right now and we'll talk about Kiwanis' involvement, because it's a big number.
It is.
There's your check for
$100,000.
This is remarkable, but this is something very important to Kiwanis.
It is very important to Kiwanis. We've been around since 1917 in this community, helping children, helping adults in every walk of life. And the Kiwanis Medical Foundation, our number one goal is research in Ottawa, to look after children is our priority. And these two gentlemen, doctor, and they both came over and they did a presentation to our trustees of our medical foundation, and we thought it was just fantastic research going on in Ottawa, and that's why we're backing it. Hopefully it still happen tomorrow.
Absolutely, I'm sure the presentation was good, but inspiring too for you guys to be able to say this is a decision and this is the $100,000 and where it's going. Thank you, gentlemen.
Absolutely, thank you.
And for the work it is that you're doing.
Thank you.
Plenty more to come here on CTV Morning Live. Please take a moment to check out the website at ottawacancer.ca, and please call the number as well. There's a lot of great stories that we have to tell you about over the course of this show. We'll be back with more after this.